Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to insert battery in DJI Mini 4K. To do that, you just should firstly open the cover and remove it. And then on this side of the drone, you will see USB-C charging port and CD memory card space. So you should open this cover, and here as you can see we have the space for the battery. Here is the dock station for this is the battery charging station. So remove the battery from here, and here as you can see on the battery we have the contacts, and here we have the contacts, and we should feed them in this way. Then just close the cover, and it's cool. Now we can enable our drone. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you!